we are parked just a little ways from the, is it called the Elbert?
Mount Elbert Trail, yeah.
Mount Elbert Trail. And we are going to try to climb the highest point in Colorado today. It's going to be
tomorrow.
It is still technically tomorrow.
It's still technically tomorrow.
It is technically tomorrow. It is like 10 o'clock. So we're going to try to get 4.5, 5 hours of sleep.
Yeah. It's a good night's sleep.
It's going to be perfect. And we're going to sleep in the back of Christoph here. So we're going to be working on getting that organized. Kemper's tried this trail once before and got blown over by 70-mile-an-hour winds. So
it should be noted that that was in the winter.
Yeah, so maybe we will, maybe we won't run into 70-mile-an-hour winds. I don't know. But anyway, right now I'm actually feeling pretty sleepy. So let's see if we can make this happen. Nine minutes, 26 seconds. I wouldn't consider that too bad.
Oh, I wouldn't either. Also, I found a huge wad of cash in here. What the heck is this from? There's 51 bucks in here.
I mean, that's always
just in these shorts that I probably washed like several times. What were we doing last summer? I mean, I needed 51 bucks to do. It's weird.
Right. I think we're gonna see how much sleep we're gonna get. I feel super sleepy, so I don't think it's gonna be too tough for me, but you know, sometimes the cars can surprise you with how elusive sleep can be. Gotta put my contacts in. This is always a little nerve-wracking. Can't wash my hands. How'd you sleep?
Pretty good. It's kind of restless and my sleeping bag got all weird. I think this thing kept its air.
I can't stretch out all the way in this car, so...
No, I can't either. We do a ridge climb and then a couple more switchbacks and then just the long ridge to the summit.
So we are currently 3.35 miles in, maybe probably a little bit more than that. I started my workout a little late. So that means we're probably about 2.5 miles from the summit.
Well, it's 6 miles. Yeah, 2.5 miles from the summit. Yep.
Alright, it seems like we are nearing timberline and are currently being assaulted by mosquitoes.
Good?
Yeah, same. I mean, it's not exactly easy hiking, but it's not
Right.
too bad either.
Right, exactly. Steep, but doable.
Right, you can see the sun behind me there. Coming up. There's a fire in Arizona. Hopefully there's no big ones in Colorado since yesterday, but I don't think there are. This morning I have eaten 2 items. A Kind Bar and the Builder Bars. Mint flavored. That is absolutely my favorite. You know, I always find everybody kind of has their mountain foods. One time, first or second time I climbed a mountain, I ate a bunch of beef jerky and got super nauseous. Still can't eat beef jerky to this day. So we just got through our 5th mile and I'm just now mounting the ridge. We're going to be sticking on this pretty much all the way to the summit. So kind of on our last stretch. Kemper's down there grabbing some sweet shots of I believe Mount Massive right here. But absolutely fantastic views all around.
I forgot to wear my rubber wedding ring. Your hands swell up at altitude and it was starting to pinch.
Oh dear.
Yeah. So that's
Some
a bummer.
high pressure.
I never like taking my wedding ring off, ever. But it was gonna hurt quite a bit.
Yeah, my hands are definitely swollen. My hands swell bad. But anyway, the weather is about as perfect as you can ask for right now. Just got the hiccups. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get them to stop. Ugh. I hate hiccups. It would be nice if I could lose the hiccups. There's a lake down there. I wonder what that is. There's a big lake down there. I have no clue what either of them are. Kind of embarrassing. Finally, for the first time, like 10 minutes ago, I felt the altitude.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. Looks like we've got 600 feet. Exactly.
So we're probably sitting at almost exactly 14 right now.
13.8, 29. That looks like about 600 feet.
such a fun way, this little ridge climb, to end that slog behind us. And just, views are just ridiculous.
Brief moment, we will be the highest people in Colorado. Is this one or that one?
I guess we should just step on both, right?
I think that looks a little higher than here. Woo! 6.5 miles exactly. Because all the water I had in my body came out my back in the form of back sweat.
Gross.
Gross but true.
Yeah. I mean, it's the way that life works. All right, we have officially made it to the summit, and it is magnificent.
It really is.
As Kemper said, we are currently, well, actually, I am right now the highest person in Colorado. Possibly the lower 48. It's hard to say. There are a couple higher peaks.
There's people on Whitney right now, I guarantee you.
Yeah, it's sunrise over there probably. Oh well, I'll take Colorado. That last little ridge climb was really fun. It was kind of icing on the cake because there was a long slog there for a while. One of the things that always amazes me from the summit of pretty much any mountain I've been on is just how many really cool places there are. I mean, just we're surrounded by peaks and basins and lakes, a ton of really cool views, and you know, I'm never gonna see all of them. I'm never gonna be on the top of all those mountains. So it's it really kind of translates just how amazing it is out here in Colorado and many mountain ranges. There's just so much going on.
to the trees, which is always a relief. It's a relief to make it out of the trees and get back in. Timberline's always that way.
It is that way.
So we're just gonna power down through the trees back to the car, and then some coffee is gonna be, well, and food. And these handmade hoodies, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff that might happen, but we'll have to see. See you back at the car.
Kind of low-key happy I didn't see how scary it looks from here. At least how big of a day it looks like.
Here it is. You can see the. You can even see the trail we climbed up from here.
Yeah, you can.
All right, well, I think we're gonna go get some food and some coffee, of course.
Yep.
I've only had 35 milligrams of caffeine today.
I'm similar.
So I have a caffeine headache.
Yeah, I do
Which isn't
too.
ideal.
I was just thinking that too.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, definitely hit that like button. It really helps us grow. Additionally, hit that subscribe button if you're interested in watching future adventures. If you're interested in how we make these videos and or upping your photo video game all the way around, definitely check out our other channel, Summit Bid. Definitely link in the description down below. And we'll see you on the next adventure.